Hey guys, what is going on? Jeremy here, back again with another video. Obviously you can tell from the title of this video what this video is going to be about. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get this started. So I made a Facebook post the other day on the Nasty2ss Facebook page basically saying I had accepted a sponsorship. I did not release any details to you guys, but here comes the video. I promised y'all. I'm super excited, y'all. So Kraftwerks has decided to sponsor the channel. I'm completely speechless. I have got a kit on the way. So the kit has already been ordered. I've ordered my ZL1 fuel pump. So the only thing left really, guys, is to install the supercharger, which I've got a buddy. We're gonna go to his shop and put it in there. After that, it's all gonna be tuning. After that, we'll start doing some hands-on reviews on the Kraftwerks supercharger kit. So here we go. This is the kit, 1015 Camaro SS supercharger system without the tuning solution. You can't actually buy this kit with the Diablo Sport Intune. I opted out of it, probably gonna have RPM tune mine, but here it is, guys. There's the kit itself. Look at that. Oh my God. Comes with everything that I need. Look at this. Oh my God. It's beautiful. That's what the kit's going to look like under the hood. Very nice fitment. Oh my God. I love the way that sits. Very similar to a Pro Charger. But this is, to me, a pretty unique kit. And there's not a lot of people that have these kits on their Camaros. Man, I'm going nuts here. So this is everything that comes with the kit. You can see right here, these are the numbers that we're going to be hopefully producing. I'm hoping I can be somewhere in the middle here. I'd like to get 650 wheel. We'll just see how that goes. But this does have the Rotrex C3891 supercharger. The kit comes with an 85mm pulley. Which is good for about, bam, 7 PSI. I actually went with their 75mm pulley, so I'm hoping we can get 9 to 10 pounds of boost, which should be fine on the stock block. But this is also one of the other reasons I bought this kit, guys, is I don't want to build the motor yet. I'm not at that point. I don't have that kind of money. This is a very, very budget-friendly kit. And from what I've seen from the couple guys I've talked to that actually have this kit on their Camaro, they absolutely love it. So great performance, great reliability, and honestly that's what I'm looking for, because I do not make enough at my job or on YouTube yet to really start, you know, building the Camaro. So with that being said, guys, the next step is going to be an unboxing video. My God, I don't know. I'm freaking out here. I can't believe this is actually happening. Like, literally, I've wanted this for so long. I almost cried when I ordered it. So, I know I talked a lot about getting a Pro Charger, but yeah, it'll probably, I don't know, couple grand, maybe a little bit more than a couple grand more for the Pro Charger kit. But I wanted to do this. I wanted to be different. Kraftwerks, I feel like, makes an awesome product. They're kind of more targeted to the Honda guys. But they do have kits out, obviously, for the Camaro and the Mustang. What I wanted to do is hopefully help them get the word out on this product, which I think shouldn't be a problem. Another good thing about this, guys, once I do a review on it, you guys can figure out if, you know, if you're looking into forced induction, if this is a route you want to go with. So we'll just see what kind of numbers the car puts down. And I guess take it from there. But I'm hoping, guys, in the near future, I'd actually talk to one of the Kraftwerks guys. I should be getting some discount codes for you guys as well. So if you are interested in this kit, let me know. I can probably get you guys a nice little discount on it. This is a recent sponsor, so I think everything's still kind of in the works as far as getting everything together. But that's what we're going to do, guys. Have a little series on this. Obviously, this is going to be the first video. The second video is going to be the unboxing. Third video is going to be the install. Fourth video going to be tuning. Fifth video, we're going to go out and do real life review on this Kraftwerks USA kit. Now, I did do some research on it. I've seen a lot of good things about the Rotrex superchargers. Very, very good head unit from what it seems. So again, I can't wait to get the ball rolling on this. I can't wait to get it in. I was driving my car the other day and I was just thinking like, man, I might drive this thing, you know, once or twice more before it's boosted. So, man, it's crazy how far the car has come, how far the channel's come. Still kind of creeping up on 5,000 subscribers. That would be awesome, guys. If you could share some of the videos, it really does help me out a lot. I'm hoping by the time this video airs, guys, I will have my kit in and go ahead and start filming the unboxing video for you guys. Extremely excited. You guys don't even understand. Like, this is just, it's amazing. So, but that's it, guys. Short video, but want to let you guys know, finally, the car is getting supercharged. I absolutely can't wait. I think the main goal, what I would like to see from this kit, is about 640 to 650 at the wheels. We'll see what happens. I know one guy I talked to, I think on a stock L99, I think he made 540 or 580 or something. So definitely picked up some good power. So I'm hoping with the LS3 and the mods that I've done that it's going to kind of help this out a little bit. But that's it, guys. As always, make sure to like, share, subscribe. I will see you guys on the next video.